Hello, 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 hello. Anyone here? Hope that you can hear my voice and we will soon get started. Okay, so we'll get started in 1 minute and hope you can find my screen and hear from my voice. Yeah, and also if you have any questions, suddenly you have some thoughts, you can also leave the message in the chatting box. Hope we can communicate with the text as well. Yeah, we will get started in 1 minute. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, welcome. And today, actually, we will directly go with our tool show. Yeah, welcome to the channel, and I'm Jackie. And today, I think I will help you to solve some of the problem. Actually, before that, we collect some of the questions that from your side that both you try to figure out, don't know how to do in Coohom. And today I'm here to help you. And if you have any questions, you can also leave the message. And really hope that some of our really quick show, the quick tool show, can help you to find out the solution. Okay, so let's directly go to our main topic. And here actually we do have some of the collections from your site. So we separated into different parts. For example, like the floor plans, finishings, furnitures, and render, something related to customizing. And actually recently we found that quite a few of you raised the question regarding the custom modeling, which means you want to create something very special or with the special shape, but you don't know how to do it. I don't think actually it's a kind of a challenge for us because some of the functions are really helpful that can bring you quite a lot of benefits. So I here will just tell you some of the main principles or the logic, and then you can try with the functions uh, frequently, and then you can have a better result. And so let's turn to the first. Okay, actually, this phrase actually we received several questions. Really represent some of our um, using issues. So here first is about the customized tool. Okay, some of you don't know how to do or don't know not sure if we can have something refers to this kind of a wardrobe surface, the wardrobe the drawer front. So actually in our tool, yes, we do have, but it's not really precise. Actually, sometimes you just need some keywords and then you can find out the solution. Actually, it's not that hard. So first I will try to help to use some of the cabinet to show you, for example, some open cabinet. Maybe it will do help for you to see the result. Yeah. And then if you want, you can turn to, for example, to the uh, tool here. Actually, in order to give the inner component, actually we've talked about before, this is the outer frame and something related to the drawer, hardware, knobs, they are all the parts. So if you use our tool here, you can see we have parts. The component here is the part. And first, of course you need to find out the drawer, some common drawer. If you want, you can also turn to the functional. And then you can find it here. We do have some flat panel drawers like this. And what you need to do is just click and then put. Okay, this thing is really easy. But if you really want, you can also use the controlling the design internal zone. Okay, this will be different if your using tool is just the kitchen a kitchen and closet the customize here. If you just use the kitchen and closet project, this one is only available to put the unit. Some of the inner design parts is hardly be controlled. If you use this kind of a tool here in the 3D project, the customizing in 3D project, you can directly have the internal zone. Okay, when we talked about the drawers, I think you need to know some of the difference, but it's fine if you still want to use the previous tools. It's also available to control. It's just a double click. You see here, actually, the default setting is select cabinet. And if you want to get a well control of the panel, you'd better directly use the select part, right? And then this time, you see, when you double click, this time, you can no longer just select the entire drawer. You can directly click. You see here, I can select the drawer front. And that's not the end. Here you can see we can have the style. See, we do have the style. And for the drawer style, you can change the door style. At this moment, you can just type in the concave, yeah, in public. So if you can see some of the uh, elements, if you want, you can just directly to click and then you find something, you can find it. But here, pay attention, this is the drawer. This is the drawer. And then if you want, you can directly searching here. Okay, the drawer front, style. This one, I just delete that. Yeah. And using the material, it's not here, public catalog. And you will also see some of the elements that's similar. But most of the time, if you really want some really precise element, the the best solution you'd better use is to create. You need to create some 3D the component in the parametric editor. And also you can see some of the elements like this. These are also, sorry, these are some of the inner panels you can change. So you can try to searching for the default. Okay, and directly go through it, you can have so many different selections. Click and put. I'll try it again. Search for the common K. That's not here. Check about the status. Actually, if you want to directly search here, it's not available because this is